Hello everyone, I'm back with my another video. This video is about plants or trees that are very useful for us. I think this video should like by the nature lover most. Hibiscus. It lowers BP, helps for weight loss, prevents cancer, and it is used for hair growth. Snake plant filter air by absorbing carbon monoxide. Crab jasmine. These flowers are used to prepare for skin disease and any pain. It also have properties to help to fight with cancer. Jamun, improving hemoglobin count, beneficial for skin and eyes and for diabetes also. Heart health, it also strengthens gums and prevent from infection. Curry leaves help in losing weight, lower cholesterol level, keep diabetes under control, reducing stress, healing wounds, and prevent from hair fall. Ajwain. It treats common colds, pains in skin. It relieves acidity and indigestion. It is a natural mosquito repellent. You can also clean wound with it. Neem for skin. It's paste apply on hair, then dandruff will say goodbye. It is wound healer. Eating neem leaves increase immunity. Pomegranate. It lowers blood pressure and combats against heart diseases. It helps fight arthritis and joint pains. Help in improving memory. Lemon, rich source of vitamin C. It contains magnesium, iron and potassium. Maintain heart health, protect against cancer, diabetes and high blood pressure. It also supports weight loss and improve skin quality. It also freshens breath. Most important, it prevents kidney stones. Mulberry, good for digestion, improve blood circulation, boost immune system. It is anti-aging, good for hair, maintain heart health. Christmas tree. It absorbs carbon dioxide and other gases and it is very useful for our environment. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for more notifications. Thanks for watching my video.